Hey everyone, this is Bhumika. In this video, I'm going to design a fintech app. Basically, the app is related to payments, and here we will be looking at what is the thought process behind creating any particular flow and how we should approach it. So, without doing any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, the platform that I was talking about is Wise. I hope some of you have also heard about the Wise. They have the app and the website both. And basically, the Wise is a fintech platform. It is mostly used for payments, especially the cross-border payments. Like if someone is living in different countries, like suppose if someone is living in Germany and I'm in India, and someone wants to send me a particular amount from Germany, so he and she can send me very easily. But if you don't know, there is some exchange rates, currency exchange rates that person has to pay. So for that, Wise is one of the platform that help you to send money globally very easily, and even the currency exchange rate is quite low. So this is one of the platform that is helping the people living outside different countries, and they can easily send the money to anyone. So this is all about the Wise, and if you see, this is the website that they have, and here they have properly talked about that what is the Wise all about. Like here you can see that need the money without borders. I've like already talked about the cross border payments. Like if some of you don't know about the cross border, then mainly the cross border is the money that you're sending from one country to another. So this is the all about the Wise app, and now I am going to start with the design. Firstly, I'm going to start with the Wise app design. So I need to look at how they have created their screens. So like for that, here I'm going to search for mobile.design, and like basically mobile.design, here you will find a lot of existing app design. Like if you are not getting any access for the particular app, so what you can do that you can just visit mobile.com, and here you can search for different apps design that you are looking for, whether it is for inspiration or if you want to look for any app. So here I'm going to search for Wise. So here we have the Wise, and let's look for its for particular structures and the flows. So here we have the Wise, and if you can see that firstly it is showing me the onboarding flow. So this is one of their onboarding flow that they have created. And if you see, so firstly it starts with splash screen, like just giving a small introduction related to the Wise logo, and then the screens are related to the features that they are providing here, like how someone can open their account, then they can send money or get paid from abroad. Then also anyone can take their cards and use it universally, like even they can boost their money. So this is the onboarding flow, but here mainly I'm looking for opening a balance account for onboarding. So I will be focusing on this particular section, like what will be the flow when user is opening an account and how the Wise had thought about it. So I have like already taken the screenshots for the screens. So if you see that here are two options, like either you can copy these screens in the Figma itself, or you can from here you can download the screens and it will be converted in PNG, and then you can like easily import it in the Figma. Now I'm going to talk about the thought process uh, of the Wise, like what is their thought process and like how they have think that what should be the flow for creating and opening of an account. So if you see the onboarding, the user have registered there, right? And now once they have registered, they are showing a info screen just giving a small information related to the feature that they are providing in opening an account. So it is quite important in the starting that any app should provide some basic details related to the feature in the starting, so that the user should know that what are the steps they can take while using this app. And once like the user started with it, here is an option of choosing the balances. So what they mean by choosing a balances, like you have looked for the features, like what are the features they are providing. Now you are from different countries, like there are 3 or 4 people who are using Wise, and the 4 of them are from different countries. So how any app will going to know that for this particular country what should be the currency, like whether it is INR or USD. So how this information can be given to the app. So here that's why they are asking that choose your balances. Like are you using an Australian dollar? It is a Canadian dollar, euro, or a British pound. So this information is quite important if you're sending an amount to a different country, because like mainly in the end that amount will be converted into different currency. And like once you have selected it, there are some terms and conditions that you should know. Like when we open any bank account, we used to get some documents that what are the terms and conditions related to opening a bank account, what are the benefits that you are going to get, what will be the agreements. So this is some of the details that is required to show to the user in the starting. So this is like an information or an customer agreement that they are showing here, and also the user can read it from here. And then like I think once someone clicks on it, they can easily see that what is opening and holding an account, like what are the things that are including when someone is sending money to the abroad. Like there will be an account setup, then there will be a monthly fee if you are using the Wise app, and then there will be Wise debit card acquisition. Like if you have taken any debit card from the Wise, then what will be the fee charges that you need to pay, and then if you are replacing your card, then what is the process that you need to follow. So this is some of the information that they are showing here. And then like you can do the ATM balance inquiry, then there are customer service, inactivity. They will also going to charge you for 9 other types of fees. So the user can know that what are the charges that they are taking from them. Like if you are using any platform, you should know everything about it. Like if they are not showing any hidden charges or the conditions that they have for using any particular feature, like they are keeping you in a dark. And like it is quite hard for you while you have started using it, and then you get to know that there are some hidden charges and I need to pay it. So this is a kind of a bad experience that any platform should not give to the users. So like once I think the user is done with terms of use, they can like you can see that all is done, like everything is verified. And then in the end there is a home screen where the user is going to see that what type of currencies that they are using here. Like if in the home screen you can see that there are 2 types of currencies, like one is the Australian dollar and another one is Canadian dollar, and then what type of transactions that they have done, whom they have sent the money. So the in the like home screen itself, the user can see the where they have spent their money. When we are talking about the cross-border payments, like sending money from one country to another country, 2 or 3 things are quite important for any platform. First that their account should be connected to the app, or either they can open a new account. Then as we are talking about different currencies here, so the important thing is that the platform, like there should be some information of the user on the platform related to the either to their country that they are living or the currencies that they are using. And then it is also important that we should show some transaction history or the other features so that the user can stick with our app. Like they're not only focusing on sending money from one country to another, but they are also providing other features like using the debit cards. So now I'm going to replicate the same design. So the main reason for replicating the design is that first of all, it helps you to practice the UI design. You improve a lot if you do these things on a daily basis. And here my main focus was creating a design that is something related to the payments, and understanding that what is the reason behind creating the each flow, and how the any company used to think while they are creating the flows. So this was the main reason behind it. And now I'm going to work on the redesign and try to replicate the same design as it is, so that it helped me to understand that which font they have used, what kind of colors they are using, and why they have created the component in a such way. So that's the main motive of replicating the designs. So let's start our design and see how it turned out. So here firstly I'm going to start with the frame. I'm going to select some random frame. So here I've selected the iPhone 14 and 15 Pro one, and I'm just going to increase its height and a width also. Okay, fine. So now I'm going to start with the layout grid. I'm going to take the columns and just play around with some numbers to adjust the margin and gutter. So yeah, I'm done with my layout grid. And now firstly, if you see the first screen, so here in the first screen we have a simply information kind of a thing where we have illustration and some text, and even we need to add some icons, and then there is a button. So firstly I'm going to pick up a illustration that they have added. So here I've created a design system for me, and here is the design system. You can see the palettes, like color palettes, then I have the typography, and then here are the buttons that I've created. So these are the few elements that I've added in my design system, and this is the illustration that I was talking about. So mainly I have find this illustration on Google. So you can search the same kind of an illustration for the design. So I'm just going to paste it over here and just decrease its size. And yeah, so I'm going to put it in the center, and now I need to check the fonts, that which font is matching with the same design. So here firstly I'm going to type the text like get started with balances. So the balance should be next line. So I'm just going to copy this text and move it below like this, and here I'm going to write balances and move it to center. So firstly I'm going to increase its size up to let's say 34, and I think we can keep it up to 36. So 36 is fine, but we need to play with the font style. So here is 36, and okay, now I'm going to look for the font. So here we have a lot of fonts, but I need to check that which is matching with the same design. So yeah, I have like chosen one of the fonts. So here I've used Sense, and the same for the balances. Now if you look here, this is not black properly, so I'm going to choose the same color which they have used here in the font. So here I'm going to copy this and put the same color over here. So now we need some icons, and here I need to choose some plugins like Iconify, and here firstly I'm going to search for the globe. Like if you see on the left side there is a globe icon, so I also need one of the globe icon, and I think this one is fine, so I'm going to import this, and the next one is arrow. So here is the arrow. So I think this arrow, this one works fine, and now I'm going to import this. So just close this section, and now we need to adjust the size. So just move it here, and so if you see that here we need two texts, like one is for the heading and another is for the subheading. So here I am just going to speed up the process, so you can fast forward the video as well. So yeah, I'm done with my design, and let's see how my final design looks. So you have already seen the first screen and the second screen. So these are the rest of the screens that I've created here, like the terms and conditions screen. So this is how the design turned out, and I think I have done a quite good job, like for replicating the design. So this is the overall process related to creating any design for a particular flow. So this is all about the app that we have designed today. It's about replicating the design and understanding the process behind it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please let me know in the comment section, and also please subscribe to my YouTube channel because I will be coming up with UX design related content. So do subscribe to my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates regarding my new videos. And if you have any queries related to UX design, or you are learning more about it, so you can let me know in the comment section. And even I have an Instagram handle where I used to create UX design related content, so you can DM me over there. I will be linking my Instagram account in the description. So do check it out, and till then, stay tuned, and I will see you in my next video.